Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive stand-alone robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we will learn about the different modes of the multimeter. Let's get started. Select a 9-volt battery, a multimeter, an LED, and a resistor from the components panel and place them on the work plane as shown here. Connect the positive terminal of the breadboard to one end of the resistor. Connect the other end of the resistor to the multimeter's positive terminal. Connect the cathode of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery and the anode to the negative terminal of the multimeter. Set the multimeter mode to ammeter to display the current flowing through the LED. Moving on to the next circuit. Place a 9-volt battery, an LED, and a resistor again on the work plane as shown here. Connect the positive terminal of the breadboard to one end of the resistor. Connect the other end of the resistor to the anode of the LED. Connect the negative terminal of the breadboard to the cathode of the LED. Now, place a multimeter on the work plane. Connect its positive terminal to the anode of the LED and its negative terminal to the cathode of the LED. Set the multimeter mode to voltmeter to display the voltage across the LED. Moving to the third circuit. Place a resistor and a multimeter on the work plane. Connect one end of the resistor to the negative terminal of the multimeter and the other end to the positive terminal of the multimeter. Set the multimeter mode to ohmmeter to observe the resistance of the resistor. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the working of the multimeter.